Greetings, my brother. Thank you so much for having me. It's an honor and a privilege.
Mfowethu mhlawumbe umuntu ongakwazi kabanzi ngoma ngachaza nje kancane ukamtshela ukuthi ubani uAsanda Shabalala.
uAsanda Shabalala is primarily a child of God and a motivational speaker. He's also an author of a book titled Destiny Shift.
Mfowethu usangizwa?
Yebo ngiyakuzwa.
Alright mfowethu ungaqala phansi ngoba kube nokukhatheka nje okuncane lapha.
Alright, uAsanda Shabalala is primarily a child of God, a motivational speaker, and is also an author of a book titled Destiny Shift.
Yes mfowethu mhlawumbe ke namhlanje singene kwi-topic yethu namhlanje sikhuluma ngani namhlanje?
Namhlanje futhi ngifuna ukukhuluma ngama-seasons wempilo, the seasons of life and how those seasons of life are necessary.
Namhlanje sikhuluma ngama-seasons wempilo. Ngiyakwazi ke mfowethu ukuthi awukazi washaya iceleni uhlala ushaya khona namhlanje ama-seasons wempilo. Mhlawumbe wena mangachaza akanjani ama-seasons wempilo?
Ama-seasons wempilo webhuti wami afana njengama-seasons mhlawumbe masikhuluma nge-geography, we speak of different seasons. We speak of winter, we speak of summer, we speak of autumn. And we speak of these different seasons, and futhi we need to learn bhuti wami ukuthi empilweni futhi the same is true. There are different seasons in life. It is important for a person to be sensitive and be able to identify a season ekuyona, to be able to eliminate a frustration, a competition empilweni yakho. I will repeat that again. It is necessary and it is important for a person to know what season they are in their life, so that they eliminate competition and unnecessary frustration. Kunomuntu manje bhuti wami okwisama. Now kusama siyazi ukuthi sishayela amashoti, sishayela amavesi. Meaning ukuthi summer it represents la khona when everything is going well in life, where everything is going according to plan. Yes, be in summer, prepare for the summer and enjoy the summer when it lasts, but know that it is a season, it is passing. Iyeza iwinter la kuzobanda khona. So today ngifuna uku-encourage and prepare ama-listeners at UTFM ukuthi impilo is divided into different seasons. You must be aware of season okuyona empilweni to avoid the frustration. Fanele wazi ukuthi there will be a period in life la khona uzozwa ngathi izinto khona zimile, ayikho into esebenzayo. Do not take that season as permanent. That's the season. It's it's not permanent. If our sebenzi is season bhuti wami, it's not permanent, it's temporary. If kuyabheda emshadweni is season bhuti wami, it's not permanent, it's temporary. If kuyabheda nasesikoleni nase-university, it's not permanent, it's temporary, it's a season, it's passing.
Mfowethu ngiyakuzwa kahle mfowethu, kukhona lento usho wena ukuthi njengoba mhlambe ama-seasons angahlukana ungahaleli umuntu osekwisama wena
so okay. Yes. Do not be envious yabantu ungazi ukuthi bakwi-season yiphi empilweni. Wena appreciate ujabule kule season okuyona. Kunezinto eziwu-3 bhuti wami ezisiza ukuthi sikhuphe kwama-season, especially for people who are in a season that seems to be hard and difficult at this point. Ngifuna ukukutshela lezi zinto lezi eziwu-3. Number 1, life was designed bhuti wami to test your staying power. Life was designed to test your staying power. Because when certain things happen empilweni, they are testing i-ability yakho yokubambelela entweni ethize. Impilo izokutesta bhuti wami. Ungathi mhlambe namhlanje mina ngifuna ukuba one of the best radio presenters emhlabeni. Life will create situations and challenges that will test that goal or that dream of yours. Life was designed to test your staying power. Fanele sibe ne-tenacity bhuti wami ye-pitbull. I-pitbull once it has gotten a hold of something, it does not let go easily. It must be shaken off. Bhuti wami nasi fanele sibe nayo leyo tenacity ukuthi uma sibambelele kwezinto esithi siyayifuna empilweni, fanele sibambelele with everything that we have.
Sithi thina kumlaleli ekhaya siyamtshela ukuthi noma esesekule season le akuyo siyamtshela siyam-assure ukuthi uzofika kule season le afuna ukuya kuyo, angagive up okwamanje.
Injalo bhuti wami, angagive up. And futhi ngisasho nje kuleyo yokuqala bhuti kunala esibili ukuthi ube faithful ngaloku kuncane oqala ngakho. Ngoba great things start with small things. Do not despise la ukhona namhlanje. Ngoba iphutha abaningi bethu silenzayo ukuthi mhlambe if you aspire to be somewhere empilweni uma ukho lapho manje uthatha kancane la ukhona, but where you are right now ku-necessary futhi ngithanda ukusebenzisa example ye-butterfly ukuthi i-butterfly bisokuba i-butterfly sonke siyithandayo that we all admire. There are certain stages and seasons that the butterfly goes through. Number one, i-butterfly iqala iyi-pupa futhi ibe yi-larva makeda kuba i-butterfly. Makuyi-pupa it does not look like it's going to become a butterfly. Ngifuna ukutshela umuntu olalele manje ukuthi what you look like now is not what you are going to be tomorrow. Don't give up now. It's a season. It's a stage empilweni yakho. There is something greater that is coming. Start with the little that you have and be faithful and trust God because He will do more with your life.
Yes mfowethu, sengikudedela nje mhlawumbe singabatshela futhi abalalele ekhaya ukuthi ungavumeli ngoba empilweni siyatshala, ungavumeli abantu asebedla izithelo zabo ukuthi bakufoste ukuthi nawe udle ugcina usudla izithelo zakho.
Powerful button and futhi ungavumeli ukuthi abantu bakudefine ukuthi uyisithelo esinjani. And ungavumeli ukuthi abantu bakudefine ubi-process ezisithelo. When we plant a seed button, the planting process looks like the burial process. Be careful of people who will find you planted and try to convince you that you are buried. Ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi you are a seed when you are planted, you will grow and bear fruit.
Yes mfowethu, mhlawumbe sengikudedela ke einkundleni zokuxhumana bamthola kanjani uAsanda Choose Wisely?
Einkundleni zokuxhumana igama uAsanda Percival Chabalala zonke njena Facebook, Twitter, ne-Instagram it's Asanda Percival Chabalala. Chabalala ye-TSH butwana.
Mfowethu siyabonga kakhulu. Asikubone next week Monday.
Bonke mina butwa uNkulunkulu abusisi.
Danko. Besikhulumisana naye ke lapha uAsanda Choose Wisely. Ayithi Linda, ayithi kuma season namanje ingoma kaJava engizokudlalela yona ithi Linda. Ungavumeli abantu asebedla izithelo ukuthi bakuconvince ukuthi udla izithelo zakho. Usatshala wena, funda ukulinda.
Tethi sabaphansi masingakafika isikhathi sakho Linda.